you see that there are things that are hyperlinked, and then there are things with these things called footnotes. Sometimes a hyperlink and footnote might show up near each other, but they're very different purposes. A hyperlink is just taking you to another page or another website that might be interesting. A footnote is proof, and anytime you have ideas, facts, or a quote that you want to take, that you need to prove that you actually know what you're saying, you put a footnote, and the footnote comes after the word. For example, here's a hyperlink to Grace King High School. Here's a footnote that says he went to Grace King High School. The hyperlink takes you to the school itself, so you can find more information about the school. But no one needs to prove the school exists. It just takes you there. It's interesting to know. Versus the footnote is trying to prove the fact that Khan attended Grace King High School. There's a footnote for proof of that. Does that make sense? So again, here's a hyperlink about MIT. It will take you to the MIT's page. And here's a footnote that he went to MIT. It's proof. You can prove that he actually went there. So the footnote is proving something. Hyperlink is just taking to another page. And what a footnote does is it generates a link at the very end of your Wikipedia page. They're called references or footnotes. So how do we do that? If we click on edit, let's say I want to put a footnote at the end of edit. So I'd click at the end of edit, I click insert, I click teaching tools, footnotes, and let's say if I wanted to add this one, add to footnotes, next, insert plugin, and it shows up as this green puzzle piece. But when I click save, it shows up the footnote, and the footnote's generated down here. So to summarize, if you want to do a footnote, you go to the end of the word. You don't highlight the whole word. That's for adding a hyperlink. And you go to the end of the word, you go insert, more plugins, teaching tools, footnote, paste in the link, next, and you're all set.